2 of 10. Nozzle, create a new file. Select model template. Select the units millimeter. Enter the name nozzle. Create a sketch. Select YZ datum plane. Click OK. Now we are going to create the profile for our revolve feature of nozzle. Select the line. Draw a horizontal line. Length 5 mm and like 33 mm. From the vertical axis to this end point, edit this dimension to 3 mm. Now select View tab, decrease the dimension text height for better readability. Select Profile tool, a vertical line from this point to the length of 9 mm, 270 degree. Draw a horizontal line. Right vertical line to 2 mm. Now move the dimension to create the inner profile. Profile tool, start from this point, and set the length 23 mm, 270 degree, and create here arc using 3-point method. Draw the line after the profile. And away from the vertical axis around 0.5 mm. Edit this dimension to 2 mm. Now move the profile by selecting the end point of the arc. Now draw the remaining profile. Down and vertical line and then connect to the end point. Now dimension the tip to the vertical line. Edit this dimension to 0.5 mm. From the horizontal axis, edit this angle to 45 degree. This completes our profile. Finish the sketch. Now select revolve, specify the vector z-axis. To specify the point, select the datum coordinate system point. Enter the angle 360 degree. Click OK. This completes our base feature. Now hide the revolve. Select create a sketch. Select the YZ datum plane. Click OK. Now draw a planting line. Now this point towards this end to a length of 23 mm, angle 266 degree. Finish the sketch. Now unhide the revolve feature. Select the hole. Enter the hole diameter 2 mm. To specify the point, create a sketch in this. Use the revolve to see where to create the point. Select the sketch section. Unhide the revolve. Select this scale and hide the revolve. Now to specify the point, place a point in the vertical axis. Dimension from the horizontal axis is this dimension 5.5 mm. Finish the sketch. To specify vector, hold direction along vector and hide the revolve feature. Enter the hole depth 23 mm. OK. Now I'm going to change the circular pattern feature. Select the layer tool hold to specify the vector. Select the z-axis. To specify the point, select the center point and enter the count 3 numbers, pan angle 360 degree. Click OK. Go to view, select show and hide the sketches, coordinate system, close, right click, orient view to trimetric, save the file, close all parts. This completes code E part 2 of 10 nozzle.